Not again. Hey, what happened? I'm applying for new jobs and everywhere again and again I have to mention my gender, ethnicity. Why? Yeah, they have to maintain record to keep check on their hiring process. For what? To check if their hiring process is biased and to prevent it. Yeah, but still we all are biased. Unconsciously. What do you mean? It's your video. Explain. Yeah, but before that,
Let's do some brain exercise.
this I came across.
During one of the TEDx talks delivered by Valerie Alexander.
I'm going to ask you to visualize 3 scenarios.
Visualization part is very important.
So please close your eyes. Yes, you too. Take a deep breath.
Imagine you are late to catch a flight, you rush to the airport, you make it through security, you run to the gate, you make it down the jetway, you step on the plane just they close the door behind you.
And the pilot steps out of the cockpit to say, Hi. You get to your destination, you go to a local restaurant and you have the best meal of your life. At the table next to you is a couple happily celebrating their anniversary.
The next morning you go the biggest technology conference in the world and the CEO of this year's tech startup just took the stage to speak.
Now open your eyes. In your mental image, was the pilot black? Was the married couple 2 men or 2 women? Did the tech CEO on stage was woman?
It's okay if one or all of your answers is no. Everyone has unconscious bias.
What is that?
Unconscious bias affects our understanding unknowingly. And we take actions or decisions in favor of or against one thing, person, or group compared with another, which is unfair.
What does that even mean? Let me give you few examples.
We know men and women are equal, but we tend to see women more as homemaker than scientist or CEO. We know white and black skin colors are equal, but we tend to see white as good and black as bad.
We know not to judge others by their physical appearance,
race or religion, but we tend to form negative association with overweight or people from different religion, gender or sexuality type than ours.
But again, unconscious bias is not the same thing as racism.
Racism is the result of both conscious and unconscious bias. Unconscious bias, we don't know if we have it or not.
And this affects our everyday decisions in many fields like
housing, education, recruitment, criminal justice, healthcare, etc.
But why this happens? Because of our brain's natural tendency. Our background, our personal experiences, our culture impacts our understanding and decisions we make.
We always seek out patterns in situation or incidents around us, and we associate that information to particular person or group of people. We can process only limited information than what is available. So, we take shortcut to make our decisions easier and faster with very limited information we can process.
Things we see more frequently and regularly considered as normal, and things which are not regular or rare considered as abnormal. And this is not only about decisions we make for others, but for ourselves as well.
Depending on group of society we are from, we tend to behave based on well-formed beliefs about that group. Like, many women and men tend to choose career paths based on society's stereotypes. This applies to every group of society which may be more dominant or less advantaged.
But is it possible to avoid this? Yes, of course. For that, we need to start from ourselves. First, we have to accept that we have unconscious bias.
Irrespective of social stereotype, believe in yourself. Yes, I can do it. See others as an individual instead of part of any group. Take time to pause before making any decision. Decisions taken under time pressure are more affected by unconscious bias. Examine your own behavior towards any situation and work on it consciously. On group level and corporate level, spread awareness regarding unconscious bias and give training for the same to avoid it. In short, we have to trick our brain and to work on our thoughts.
Let's take a step together towards conquering all kind of unfair biases and to contribute to build a society based on equality. Till then, take care, stay happy, see you soon.